Hello everyone, David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere in South Miami, Florida at Bollywood Masala, an incredible Indian restaurant. We just made a video about 5 Indian street food dishes you have to try here. And this is the owner, Tina. Well, she's the owner with her husband. Today we're gonna go through Hindi. This is the official language of India. There's actually 22 dominant languages and I think it's like 700 plus dialects. Crazy. But you know, obviously we're gonna start with Hindi because it's the most commonly spoken language and it's gonna be very easy. I'm just gonna ask her the words in English. She's gonna repeat in Hindi. You ready?
Absolutely. Let's do this.
Okay, so hello.
Namaste.
Namaste. How do you say good day or hello, like how are you?
Kaise ho? Aap kaise ho?
Aap kaise ho?
Aap means you. How are you?
How are you? Aap kaise ho?
ho?
So there's no good night or good afternoon?
Good night is Subh Ratri.
Subh Ratri.
Subh Ratri.
Subh Ratri.
Yeah.
Okay, so I love you. How do you say I love you?
मुझे तुमसे प्यार है.
मुझे तुमसे प्यार.
तुमसे प्यार है.
Okay, but you don't say that in India in public, no?
No. You don't.
Left, right?
दाएं और बाएं.
Okay. So please.
Please.
Please?
Please.
Okay.
Yeah, really, honestly, we say please. Please, thank you, kind of we use the English words.
Okay, yeah, because obviously the British were there, so
Absolutely, yes.
Yes or no?
हाँ is yes, ना is no.
Na is no. Sorry?
मुझे माफ करना.
मुझे माफ करना.
माफ करना.
मुझे माफ करना. Okay.
And with that sweet face, you'll get.
So I am very well, or I am fine.
मैं ठीक हूँ.
मैं ठीक हूँ. Oh, it's hard to pronounce these words.
मैं ठीक हूँ.
मैं ठीक हूँ. Okay, that's not bad. मैं ठीक हूँ. Okay, so where are you from?
आप कहाँ से हो?
Aap Kaha Se Ho? Where are you from? So Aap Kaha Se Ho? Miami.
Right.
Okay, so where is the bathroom?
बाथरूम कहाँ पे है?
Kaha pe hai? This is very crucial in India because you can't find a bathroom anywhere. What time is it?
अभी क्या टाइम हुआ है?
Abhi kya time hua hai?
अभी क्या टाइम हुआ है?
Abhi kya time hua hai? I think it would be really hard for me to understand. I'm sure they even say it faster.
Faster,
right?
exactly. Yeah.
Okay. See you later.
फिर मिलते हैं.
Fir Milte.
फिर मिलते हैं.
Fir Milte Hai. What's your name?
आपका नाम क्या है?
आपका नाम क्या है?
क्या है?
Man, it's hard. Okay. आपका नाम क्या है?
नाम.
आपका
नाम.
नाम
क्या है?
क्या है? Well, this is not you're not supposed to be making.
I'm trying to make you into an honorary Indian.
I know. Next time I go back, I'll have a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुश हुई.
Okay, I'm gonna skip that one. I am very hungry, and I'm always hungry, so.
मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है.
मुझे बहुत भूख
लगी है.
भूख लगी है.
Don't say book, don't say booth, because booth means ghost.
Ghost. Booth. Ghost hungry. Okay, so these are just gonna be really easy one words. Okay, so food.
खाना.
Khana. Water.
पानी.
Pani. You.
आप.
Up. Me.
आप is for somebody who's older, and if you want, it's just a friend, you'll say तुम.
Tum. Okay. Me.
मुझे.
Mujhe. Kids.
बच्चे.
Bachche. Family.
परिवार.
Parivar.
परिवार.
Mother, father.
माँ बाप.
Brother, sister.
भाई बहन.
Son, daughter.
बेटा बेटी.
Oh, beta, beti.
बेटा बेटी would be son.
Husband and wife.
मर्द और बीवी.
Mara.
और बीवी.
BV. Okay.
Wife is बीवी.
BV. Taxi.
Taxi.
Well, it's actually Uber now.
There you go.
Let's go through the numbers 1 through 10.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It sounds like food. And for days of the week, how do you do? Is it Monday through Sunday or is it Sunday through Monday?
Yeah, pretty much Monday through Sunday.
Okay, so let's go through Monday.
So सोमवार, मंगलवार, बुधवार, गुरुवार, शुक्रवार, शनिवार, or रविवार, which is Sunday.
Ravivar. Okay. Tell me your 5 favorite Indian dishes.
My 5 favorite Indian dishes. Okay, let's go. Malai kofta, saag paneer, dal for sure, chana masala, and eggplant masala.
And pani puri?
On street food, I have pani puri, bel puri, dosas, and pav vadas.
Pav, oh my
I
god, I love them too. I had a Vavda, it's an Indian burger. Vavda, I have it in my video. Vavda, oh my god, that was amazing. Yeah, I had it in Mumbai, and they make it just looks incredible.
It's really good, yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. See you on the next adventure.